The quality of the BBOX is excellent.
They have never let us down in terms of quality.
They have fantastic tooling room and fantastic services.
They are maintaining the zero defect products.
BBOX now being a global player.
Quality is impeccable at par with the European standards.
उनके स्टैंडर्ड जो है वो एक्सपोर्ट लेवल का मेंटेन करते हैं.
They were the first people to start this die casting job.
We get all our castings from them.
Their castings are outstanding.
We have been associated with demo casters over the last 30 years. We work very, very closely with them.
We've been associated with Demo for maybe 15 years now.
Demo Casters Private Limited के साथ हमारा एसोसिएशन 20 years plus का है.
डेमो को मैं लास्ट 20 ईयर से जानता हूँ.
I am dealing with the demo caster for more than 20 years.
I've been with them this family with him for last ages, I would say.
Very prompt in responding to any of our queries.
Service of demo and the team is fantastic.
We are very happy with the products that we are getting from them.
There is a great value addition from Vinay as well as his team. Fantastic. Keep it up.